Oh my god. Of course, the stupid easy rolling feature is the first feature that's broke on this stupid thing. Well, I had to take some layers off after carrying this thing all the way across the backyard, but welcome back to Wrench and Rip, and welcome back, most importantly, to our next project here. Now, we're not just fixing a lawnmower, of course, because that's lame. We're going to actually make something cool, possibly fun, possibly useful out of this lawnmower. Now, you can see it has no deck. That's because the deck fell off while we were mowing and tried to chop up our driveway. It was not successful at that, but it did chop itself up pretty good. So the deck is a goner. It's already over at the scrapyard. So we have a good base with a Kohler 17.5 horsepower engine and a hydrostatic transmission, and we're gonna make something. So here's our options, and we might do a combination of these things. I see tons of rednecks out there, and I mean that as a compliment, making mud mowers out of these things, welding up the diff and putting some beefy tires on. It seems like they can go through anything. They seem to have a lot of fun doing that, so that's an option. Another option was to swap the pulleys, slam this thing on the ground, make a race mower out of it. That's option 2. Option 3, which I'm kind of the most enthused about actually, because I think it could actually be interesting to more people, is I kind of think this could be a cool plow, like a driveway plowing setup. And I mean making that custom, you know, like I've got some pieces of a old oil tank that have a good curve for the plow. I can make the plow out of that. I could mount it to where the deck was mounted, and I'd still have to weld the diff so you get some traction. But comment, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna kind of just go with it and see what I end up building. I don't really have much of a plan. I'm sure something will just happen and it'll end up going a certain way on me. I don't really know, but comment what you would like to see. And also, before we get started, in this episode we're just going to get this thing running. It hasn't run in probably 5 years. Before we get started on that, I invite you to subscribe. We have like 600 subscribers right now. If you want to add to that, by all means, please do. If you don't, then okay, see you later. So let's first off put a battery in this thing and see if it'll maybe crank up. I'm kind of skeptical. It's been a while, so let's see what she's got. First thing, just needs a battery. And the battery is over there. Alright, zoom's too slow. I'm going to put the battery in, and then we'll start checking other things. Ooh. Alright, we got electrical power. Alright, let's see. Fuel. Nothing. Okay, so let's put some fuel in it. It's 93 for my dirt bike. Going in the lawnmower. It's alright, she deserves it. Hopefully. Just put a little bit for now. I would be amazed if this thing just starts up. That would be the true Christmas miracle. I figured I might as well check the air filter. Yeah, got it unscrewed. Yikes. Looks like we might have a nest of some sort in there. Hopefully an old nest. So we're gonna have to pop some plastics off of this thing and clear that out before we try and start it. Well, not gonna lie, I'm kind of too lazy to take that big cover off right now. I just want to see if this thing cranks up. I figure a mouse nest is no match for a Kohler, so let's see what happens. hitting. That is awesome. It's not even smoking. What I'm wondering is the fact that it wouldn't come out of the, it wouldn't go into its rolling mode, like where you can disconnect it in the back. I wonder if that's connected to why it won't drive. Well, I guess we should see. Well, I found the problem. The belt's just disconnected underneath, so let me get the belt back on and then let's see if it drives. I really hope it does after that. Well, that was easy. Runs and drives, which means now the project starts. So don't forget, guys, to like and comment, and please subscribe if you like my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one once I decide what I want to do with this piece of junk. I think we need to start by maybe cleaning it. I'm not really one to clean my stuff very often, but this one should probably be cleaned before we start getting underneath it. So, till next time, guys, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time.